When you want a head start on spring weed control, plan ahead with fall-applied Valtera or Fierce. Because early spring weeds compete with crops for nutrients, moisture, and sunlight, fall application is key. With Valtera, you get extended residual control of a full range of broadleaf weeds. Fierce provides powerful performance with group 14 and 15 actives controlling broadleaf and stubborn grassy weeds. It's easy to use and you can avoid the hassles of dry broadcast products. All you need is a field sprayer. If weeds are present, tank mix with a burn-down partner. For best results next spring, apply just before freeze-up. Throughout winter, Valtera and Fierce form a layer of herbicide protection on top of the soil. Spring moisture activates Valtera and Fierce, so when you're busy seeding, they're busy fighting tough weeds. Plus, they take out multiple flushes of weeds up to 8 weeks after activation. Get ahead of spring weeds this year with Nufarm's fall-applied spring weed control solutions. Any more questions? We're here to help. Just ask a new farmer.